Guys, it's spikeyoshi here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get some DBZ sound effects. So let's get started. First, open up your internet, go to YouTube, and then you're going to want to search VGM rules with a Z at the end. Then look for one of his videos. That's not it. So you can go to his profile. Actually, just search channels and you'll find him. And go to his first video, which is VGM Inc. And it's a little group, so just join that. Or click on that. You don't have to join it if you don't want to. And then I've already posted a discussion about this, but I don't think many people get it. So first, what you're gonna want to do is copy this link right here. Copy it and paste it. You're gonna want to fix all the spaces that are in it. So like right here, I think that's the only one. So click enter. Okay, here it is, WinRAR 3.71. You're gonna want to download that. I've already downloaded that. So once you download that, go back to the group and copy the second link, this one right here. Paste. And click on the first one, DBZ Sounds Pack, RAR. That's why you downloaded WinRAR. And then click on it again, and it'll say you have chosen to open DBZ Sounds Pack RAR. And open with WinRAR default. Press OK. And it downloads. I've already gotten all this, so it's gonna show you in a test. It has a lot of good sounds. It's really sweet sounds. It's like the ones on ESF World Networks. Anyway, click on this. Click on Extract to, and whichever one you want, I'm gonna put it in videos because I already have it in all sounds. So just extract that. It'll take a few seconds depending on if you have a fast computer or not. And then you go into where you saved it. I saved it in videos, and right there, DBZ Sound Pack. It has aura sounds. It's really sweet. They're really good quality. They're like the best you can get. Mix sounds. Sound 1 is all the sounds. And then sound 2 is the characters, and one's called ambience. It's like background noises, birds, lightning, rain, waterfall, thunder roll. And it has all the characters. And I don't know why it has another one of these. I think some of them are different. I think this one's different from this one right here, because only a few of them are, but that's really how you do it. So I hope this tutorial helped, and spikeyoshi signing out.